We're gonna head to Portofino Hotel. In America, everyone gets up later. Not later, but shops start later, but they stay open later. The sticker wall, so we put one on there. You probably wonder if you can find it. Thank you, Pismo Beach. Now we're off to, I always forget the name of that place, man. Santa Maria, Harley Davidson. We're going to stop in there because we want to see if we can find some shoes, and I just like to look at it anyway. And get some of my tokens. I like carrying the, getting the poker chips. Part of my trip. Harley Davidson, Santa Maria. Right, I don't know if you can see that, but that's the receipt. And I done 217.2 miles, and I put 4.412 gallons. So I'll work out the fuel economy when I get home. Alright, bye. Nearly dropped the bike there. Me and Melissa have come to the conclusion, if you want clean bathrooms, go to a Harley Davidson in America. Mate, there hasn't been not one bad, or been, let's say, dirty, clean, dirty, but modern. They're all modern and they're clean toilets. And they're pretty good. They've got everything you need in there. I mean, you can do a 1 and a 2 and feel good about yourself. Anyway, let's move on. Now we're going to Neptune's Net. Yay! And we're going to eat lunch there. Let's go. Built up. Neptune's net, baby. Neptune's net, baby. So we've done Neptune's net. We're going to go across to the beach, have a look or not? No. It looks like we're going.
Samuel, what's this?
Battery. Old one. What is it? What number is it anyway? 1.
4. 1.
That's it, man. This is what people come to the beach for. Move that arrow so it goes around while pushing.
Pardon?
There's a... Road rage, we missed it. I wish I was. And there's the Pacific. And there's the Santa Monica Pier. I wonder if an engineer's worked out the load rating on that freaking handle. But that's a lot of people.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
And there's rides on it.
Shit.
Like a Ferris wheel's moving.
Well, this is how you catch a flu.
See, now this is, if you walk this way,
yeah,
it'll take you all the way to like Muscle Beach.
Oh, is Muscle Beach this way?
Venice Beach is that way.
Oh wow, I haven't seen that either.
So if you want to go that way.
Up to you.
Yeah. I don't know, Redondo Beach, end of the trail or something. I have no idea.
Of the Santa Monica Pier. Pacific Ocean, dude. freeze, dude.
You get a rain freeze. Tequila overload. They had those little ball things in there. I just think they're soaked with alcohol. Yeah. They just all like one after the other. And it was like.
I've never seen one before.
What?
You called me before.
So what do you think?
I've never seen one. Well, I've seen it. That's it. No need to ever come back. Highway 1. Look at that. Ready? I just thought you might find this fascinating.
Let me get off.
Okay, quick. You want me to get off?
No.
Oh, this is so fascinating. Tourist thing. I didn't know this. I thought this hotel was dead. Anyway, this is it. And this is where we are.
Sea to shining sea.
This is where we're ending sort of our trip, but I'm having a big ride tomorrow by myself. One wants to go shopping, but this should be pretty cool. This is where we're finishing off our trip, and then we're going shopping.
It's been amazing.
We've done
Loved it. Love you.
Love you too. Melissa's giving the bike thanks. It kept us safe.
It did.
Someone's balls are on that tank, but anyway.
The trusty steed. Someone's balls or what?
Probably was sitting on that tank and you kissed them.
Hey, it's rained in between there.
Yeah.
And the boat still kept us safe, so
Still kept us safe.
happy with that.
Alright, well let's go.
Keep me the next people safe too.
And keep me safe tomorrow.
Yeah.
Because tomorrow...
You need a kiss on the helmet?
I haven't got the keys. You must have been in so many hotels, we can't remember what floor we're on anymore.